Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize WhatsApp verification and account privacy controls, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin the authorization process for WhatsApp verification, first, ensure you have the app installed on your smartphone. Open WhatsApp by tapping its icon on your home screen. On the welcome screen, tap on Agree and continue to accept the terms and conditions. Select your country code from the drop-down menu and enter your mobile phone number. Tap Next to verify your phone number. You will receive a 6-digit verification code via SMS. Enter the code into the provided field on the app. If you do not receive the code, tap on Resend Code after waiting a moment. Once your number is verified, you will be prompted to set up your profile. Fill in your name and choose a profile picture if desired. Now that your account is set up, it's time to adjust your privacy controls. Tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner of the main screen. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Tap on Account to access your account settings. Now, click on Privacy to manage who can see your information. From here, you can modify settings for your last seen, profile photo, about, and status. Select each option to choose who can view them. Options include everyone, my contacts, or nobody. To further enhance your privacy, review the read receipts and toggle it off if you don't want others to know when you read their messages. Additionally, consider enabling 2-step verification for added security. To do this, return to the account menu and select 2-step verification. Tap Enable and create a 6-digit PIN along with an option. Make sure to keep your PIN secure and memorable. With these steps completed, you have successfully authorized WhatsApp verification and adjusted your privacy controls. Your account is now more secure and tailored to your privacy preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable 2-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.